So did you want to share your feelings?
Not something I was expecting.
No, not at all.
First trip of the new year, 2024. It's been a while since we've been out because everybody's been sick since Thanksgiving. I think I'm sick now, but we couldn't pass up the opportunity to see some snow. No snow. We do have some freezing rain. It's Saturday morning. Probably gonna go do Flagpole Knob again because we promised our daughter that we'd take her back to see the cool tree. So we're probably gonna hit the trails after some breakfast and hopefully get some snow in the higher elevation. It has started snowing pretty good now. I don't know, it's a trace, but it's snowing, and I think it's gonna snow for quite a while, at least all day from what we've heard. We're gonna chase this storm up the mountains, go up to the top, have a snowball fight. Yeah!
I tried hitting Daddy earlier, but he didn't.
We're gonna have a big snowball fight later.
I got his back. We're not at the top of the mountain yet. We're just coming up. I got you.
It's a little colder than I was thinking it was gonna be.
Yeah, it's definitely a little chilly.
It's windy. I think it'll be nice up there.
So we are at the trailhead of Flagpole Knob. Back here for the second time. This time it's snowing. It's gonna be really fun. Adam's airing down right now, and then we're gonna get on the trail and get up to the overlook. So kids are playing. Bo's enjoying snow for the first time. This is very new for him. Not sure what he feels or thinks about it yet, but he seems to be enjoying it. What you think, bud? It's hot?
No, this hard snow's hitting him in the face, and it's burning both of us.
Yes. It's like a mix. Yes, this is like a mix of rain and sleet, so it's
Hey,
chilly.
Look at it. It is also very crumbly.
It's thick.
Yeah.
So
Thick and crumbly. And then you can snap and keep it really good.
So anyways, we are gonna finish airing down. Ow, snow hurts. And then get back on the trail. So. So we're out here on Flagpole Knob. We just made a new friend. What's your name?
Andrew.
This is Andrew. He got stuck. So we're gonna winch him out. This is actually our first time using our winch, so it's kind of exciting. Ooh, whoa, mud.
Oh yeah. Yep, stay over this way.
Yep. Don't get in that, Carter. Luckily I think my shoes are waterproof, so that works out.
Yeah, the ice here, this is about 4 or 5 inches thick, but yeah. All
Woo.
right, let's see.
What about your e-brake? Oh, you're so close! He's getting out. He's getting out. There we go. Woo! That was awesome.
Nice.
All right. Man, that was thick.
Real thick. Yeah, that was unexpected.
Yeah. Well, Adam, how was it using our winch for the first time?
That guy's lucky that we were here. I know
Yeah.
he said his friend was like an hour away, but man, out in the middle of nowhere getting stuck in a puddle is pretty dangerous.
Yeah, with the weather especially.
Yeah.
I'm glad we passed by.
Yeah, I'm glad. Gosh.
When I saw it, I was like, oh, he's stuck. We get to use our winch.
Winch! We get to use the winch.
Maybe this is the
Yeah,
turn.
this is the turn.
Yeah.
This is
Yep.
Are we at the top?
We are at the top of Flagpole Knob, girl.
So we have arrived to the top of Flagpole Knob. This is where the really cool tree is.
All right.
And I think we're gonna have a snowball fight.
We didn't do a lot of four-wheeling, but we did do a lot of play.
Yeah, and we met a lot of people. There were, I think everybody that knows about this place had the same idea. Let's go up to the top.
There's
Check out.
so many people, so many Jeeps.
Yeah.
We met a couple people that knew of our YouTube channel, which that was pretty cool.
Yeah, no, that's awesome.
I think we're going to be in a new Jeep club now.
Yeah. Should be a good time.
Oh yeah,
It's been fun today.
And then the people that were staying at the campsite that we're staying at, yeah, they were up here too. So
was
the ones
that
on the other side.
Was that the one that? Oh, that's obviously not the guy that's camping on a hammock.
Yeah, he's camping in a hammock.
Oh, at the campground?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
He's camping in a hammock.
Shout out to you, man.
Yeah, if you watch
Respect.
this,
Did you tell him?
you've got cojones. It's too cold for that.
Well, I think the plan is to head down off the trail, go find some more propane so that we can play it safe tonight for heat, and then get back to our campsite and make dinner.
Yeah, there's about 4 inches, maybe a little more than 4 inches of snow that's dropped in the last hour and a half.
Yeah, it's been crazy.
It's definitely coming down now.
It's exactly what we wanted.
I'm cold. I'm frozen. I know they're frozen.
You know, the gloves I had on surprisingly kept my hands very warm.
Yeah, not mine. Mine got wet. Like, wet. Yours didn't either?
Are yours cold?
Wait, hey, let's see if the Bronco made it out of the hole.
He's not
Yeah,
stuck,
I don't
so that's
see
a good sign.
Well, we're heading down. We're gonna go get some propane and make it back to the tent. Hopefully the snow hasn't collapsed the Opus.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
Well, the snow and the rain and the ice collapsed our Opus. Oh my gosh.
Gotta figure out how to get in there.
Oh my goodness. This is terrible. There might be some water in the annex. Is there anything we can use?
Yeah, you're gonna need to help me pick this up.
Hold it.
There's too much snow on it.
Major.
How did you get that?
All of our stuff is probably already wet. Glad I didn't have my blanket in here like you told me never to bring.
It's true. You want me to come in there and help?
Oh, Mom, be careful. Everything's falling on you. Our table. Table's down. I forgot. Let's go behind the Opus. Oh, see, that's where our table's coming from. Water, everything. Are these open? Yeah, they are. Tell me what you can see in there. Oh, everything collapsed in there. This is bad. I gotta go. Here, you guys want this?
So, as you saw a second ago, we left the Opus up when we went over to Flagpole Knob, and we're actually going to head out to a trail that's off of this main road, but we drove up and noticed that the entire Opus was collapsed. The ice and the snow was just too heavy. The beams lost air, and now everything is flooded. So our friendly neighbors came by to check on us. They saw that the Opus was down. Thanks guys for coming.
She is a beautiful rig.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's a mess, needless to say. Yeah, it doubles as a pool as well.
Email would be like, did you know?
So this is really disappointing. There's water everywhere. The beams knocked everything down. I think that there might actually be a tear in our canvas out here where the kitchen area is, because it was sitting on metal with pounds and pounds of ice and snow and water. I don't know how well the bedding is, but Carter did request your tablet. Looks like it made it. Thank God.
Oh, you're good, man.
I have terms
But yeah, this is it. We just got some cleaning up to do.
Rock hammer garage. Okay.
So we'll check in when we get it all cleaned up.
I was Old Caroline for a long time. When I saw.
So did you want to share your feelings?
Not something I was expecting.
No, not at all.
Oh, we got a rip in our annex.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I said that earlier.
I have a patch.
That's an easy fix, I guess.
Yeah, it's not bad.
So our bed is wet.
Everything's wet in here. I think we need to focus on here first, and there after.
Yeah.
Okay.
Those diapers are ultra absorbent.
Nothing got wet over there on the kids' side.
That's awesome. Okay. I did see water pouring in on our bed as we were putting the roof up.
The majority of it is on this blanket and our weighted blanket.
Okay.
Which the weighted blanket took it like a champ and soaked a lot of it up right here.
Awesome.
It's wet though.
Yeah, so we're not using a weighted blanket tonight. That's okay.
I mean, it might be. It's all right there. It's a little wet. That's fine.
We got some towels in here, right? I can...
Yep, I'm about to start opening up.
Okay.
Open that up. Need to get this dried out for the kids.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna get everything wiped up and dried out.
Wow.
And
memories.
Yeah, absolutely memories. Traumatic memories.
The Aussies definitely did not build these for snow.
No.
Or ice or whatever.
No.
It's
so
all right.
How do we prevent this next time? Do we put our Opus down and
we'd either
pack it away?
Pack it completely away, or don't leave and continue to beat the snow off of.
Yeah, and keep heat running so that whatever touches
melts off.
Yeah. So we didn't have the heat running. We used buddy heaters just because we are trying to conserve our battery since we're not hooked up. So when we left, we turned the buddy heaters off and everything cooled down. So, all right. Well, got lots of work to do.
So we are in the Opus now. We are cleaning up some stuff, getting the floor dried, and we're working on the inside. They're working on the outside, so I'm gonna go show you what they have done so far. Okay, Dad. So what step are you on now?
Oh, we're still drying the floor.
Yeah.
How do we do it?
The floor is really wet, but It's coming along nice. My hands are freezing. We have 4 microfiber towels, right? And we're drying the floor. I'm wringing the towels out. Katie's wiping the floor and then handed me the wet towels. Dude, this is...
We actually just decided that we wanted to clean the floor. It was a little dirty, so we went ahead and left the Opus up so that we could get a natural cleaner because we're really crunchy like that. And so now our floor is going to be really clean. The plan worked, Adam.
This has been a disaster. Dude, and we cut a hole in the annex roof. I don't know if you can see. It's a little hole right there. I'm gonna have to patch that. You know, every single time we go out, there's always something fun that happens.
That we learn.
Yeah.
You're not learning.
Yeah.
You're not doing it right.
That's right. Oh my gosh, it's cold.
You know what? If anything, these are memories. Terrible memories, but they're memories.
I guess something that we will look back on and be like, yeah, we're not gonna do that again. It's been an interesting day, to say the least, and it's almost over. What time is it?
8:27.
Yeah, so it's pretty much bedtime. I'm tired. Well, it's been, like I said, an interesting day. It was a good day. We can count our blessings.
A memorable day.
All of our blessings, even the one when we had our accident.
Could have been a lot worse.
It could have been a lot worse.
Way worse.
But
like the whole thing could have been like down.
That's right.
Everything soaked.
Well,
things damaged and
Well,
destroyed.
come on, let's say bye.
Luckily, all we had to do was hand dry the floor.
Dad, what bye?
yep,
Let's say bye.
everything's dry. Hang on. Here you go, bud. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. He waved bye.
Everything's dry. Bellies are full. Next step is go to sleep, and then tomorrow we pack up and we go home. And then we clean up, and then we
Come back.
Go back out again.
That's right.
So,
Plan our
alright.
next trip.
Bye.
Well, we'll see you in the morning.
Good night.
Bye.
It was a good trip.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I enjoyed it.
Wasn't what we expected, but first off, we want to thank you. If you made it to the end of the video, you're one of the few that loves to watch our videos, and we really greatly appreciate it. That's why we want to ask you, what do you want to see in the videos? Where do you want us to go? We're willing to go anywhere on the lower 48. Just reach out, message us, comment below. Please like, subscribe, share, or do whatever with the videos. We're definitely trying to reach more followers or more subscribers, so we would appreciate it. But as for now, this trip's done. We got a lot of cleaning to do.
Yeah, gotta air out the Opus when we get home for sure.
Yeah.
But it's been fun. So thanks for watching.
Love you guys.
Bye.